This is scary, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Shit. I mean, just out of the blue. Here is the rain. Here you are, ready? There's a truck to show you how fast the rain got here. I mean, it's just all hitting hard. Raining, raining, raining. And, you know, I do love being here, but oh my gosh, is that hail? Ooh, look. Ooh. Big drops. Really cool temperature. My gosh, it's all the way up here. What? We'll move it this way. We'll move this way a little further. Trying to keep my wooden chairs out of it. But, oh my goodness. Yeah, I mean, there are times when I lived in Oklahoma, and now times when I live in Arizona, that, yeah, the weather can be kind of scary. Really scary. Yeah. Sheets of rain. This is monsoon right now. That's what really the monsoon rains used to be up until October last year, and now it just feels like maybe, I don't know, maybe we're coming back to these really big rain again. Oh shit, yeah, that's hail. Looks like it. Alright, y'all stay safe. Namaste.